Hi friends, welcome to our channel Study of Mathematics. 3.2.2 Example. Find the equation of the straight line whose distance from the origin is 4 if the normal ray from the origin to the straight line makes an angle of 135 degrees with the positive direction of the x-axis. This is our given problem. In this problem, we have to given the distance between straight line, origin, and also given angle between the straight line with positive x-axis. Then we have to find equation of straight line. That means by using these values, we have to find required straight line equation with normal form of the straight line equation. Now we will solve the problem solution. Solution. Given the distance p equal to 4 and angle alpha equal to 135 degrees. By using these values, the equation of straight line is x cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal to p. This is equation number 1. Substitute p comma alpha values in equation 1 comma we have x cos 135 degrees plus y sin 135 degrees equal to 4. Here directly we don't know cos 135 and sin 135 values, then these values can be written in cos 90 plus theta and sin 90 plus theta values. Then x cos 90 plus 45 degrees plus y sin 90 plus 45 degrees equal to 4. Here we know cos 90 plus theta value is minus sin theta and sin 90 plus theta value is cos theta. Then the above equation becomes x into minus sin 45 degrees plus y into cos 45 degrees, that is equal to 4. Here we substitute sin 45 degrees and cos 45 degree values. Then x into minus 1 by root 2 plus y into 1 by root 2, that is equal to 4. Take root 2 as LCM, then minus x plus y by root 2 equal to 4. Taking cross multiplication, then minus x plus y equal to 4 root 2. From this, take all values in one side, then minus x plus y minus 4 root 2 equal to 0. Here, take minus common and then x minus y plus 4 root 2 equal to 0. This is the required problem solution. Therefore, the required straight line equation is x minus y plus 4 root 2 equal to 0. 3.3.3 Example. Write the parametric equations of the straight line passing through the point 3, 2 and making an angle of 135 degrees with the positive direction of the x-axis in the positive direction. This is our given problem. In this problem, we have to given parametric equations passing through point and making an angle with positive x-axis. Then we have to find the parametric equations. Now we will find out the solution. Solution. Given that point x1 comma y1 equal to 3 comma 2 and angle theta equal to 135 degrees. The parametric equations are x equal to x1 plus r cos theta comma y equal to y1 plus r sin theta. First we will find x value, then x equal to x1 plus r cos theta. Here substitute x1 comma theta values, then x equal to 3 plus r cos 135 degrees. Here directly we don't know cos 135 degrees value, then this is written in cos 90 plus theta form. Then x equal to 3 plus r into cos of 90 plus 45 degrees. We know cos 90 plus theta value is minus sin theta. Then x equal to 3 plus r into minus sin 45 degrees. From this x equal to 3 minus r sin 45 degrees. Here substitute sin 45 degree value. Then x equal to 3 minus r into 1 by root 2. From this x equal to 3 minus r by root 2. This is x value. Next y value. We can find y value. Y equal to y1 plus r sin theta. Here also we substitute y1 comma theta values. Then y equal to 2 plus r into sin 135 degrees. Here also we don't know sin 135 degrees value directly. Then this is written in sin 90 plus theta form. Then y equal to 2 plus r into sin 90 plus 45 degrees. Here we know sin 90 plus theta value is cos theta. Then y equal to 2 plus r into cos 45 degrees. Here substitute cos 45 degree values. Then y equal to 2 plus r into 1 by root 2. From this y equal to 2 plus r by root 2. These are the parametric equations. Therefore, the parametric equations are x equal to 3 minus r by root 2, comma y equal to 2 plus r by root 2. This is our given problem solution. Thanks for watching our video. For more videos, please like, share, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.